Welcome to one of Türkiye's most ambitious stadium construction projects, the new Ankara Stadium. Designed to become the country's new national football venue, this state-of-the-art arena will accommodate more than 50,000 spectators while meeting the highest FIFA and UEFA standards. Today, construction has entered one of its most demanding phases, the assembly of the grandstand structure and the massive steel roof. Every beam, truss, and connection must be installed with millimeter-level precision to ensure maximum strength, stability, and long-term safety. The roof itself is the engineering centerpiece of the project. Its enormous steel spans create a bold architectural identity while providing complete coverage for thousands of fans below. Coordinating heavy lifting operations, structural alignment, and safety procedures requires exceptional teamwork from hundreds of engineers and construction specialists. As each section rises into place, the stadium moves closer to becoming a new sporting landmark for Ankara and Türkiye.